Hey guys, I always get this question, can you gift the Battle Pass without having it yourselves? And yes, you can. You do not need to purchase the Battle Pass yourselves and have it on your account in order to gift it out to someone else. So you guys can go on in your Fortnite account, go into shop or Battle Pass, it doesn't really matter. Just get into this page. So let's just go into Battle Pass page. You're gonna notice on the top right hand corner it says get the Battle Pass. So for me, if I press square, that's gonna take me there. And then from here, on the bottom right hand side of my screen, it's going to say gift battle pass. So as you guys can see, I don't have the battle pass yet, and that's why it's giving me the option to buy it. So on the bottom again, it's going to tell you what to press in order to do that. So for me, it's R. So I'm going to go on, and then you guys can go on and send it out to somebody, for example. And there you go. You guys can go on and gift the battle pass without purchasing it yourselves. But anyways, if you're watching this video and want to sign up for one of my giveaways, you can. I'm always running a giveaway. You can definitely sign up for the battle pass. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.